guys, welcome back to my channel. Spring is right around the corner. I feel like I say this every year, but this year has been flying by. The time just changed, so we're getting later sunsets. Things are just looking up. That's why I love this time of year so much. It just feels so exciting. It's a new season. I realized that this is my first time not being in school for this time of year, which is insane, and I feel like is another reason why I always loved this time of year, because obviously school is getting out soon. So especially now that I'm post-grad, I want to make sure I keep that excitement alive and plan a fun spring and summer. I feel like sometimes I'll go into the season wanting to make it the best one yet and have all these fun plans, but then I don't really put the effort into planning. So I just want to make sure that it's something that I'm thinking about right now. I want to put the effort in. I want to see my friends. I want to travel. So in this video, we're going to do a little reset, but we're also going to do some fun planning stuff, make a little spring vision board, stuff like that. So I'm so excited. I think I want to start with the cleaning stuff. There's not a ton to do. We already cleaned the living room and the kitchen this weekend. I really need to clean up my room though. I feel like laundry is my issue. That's what I let pile up the most, and then it leads to letting other things pile up because my room is already messy and I don't care as much to like put things away as I go. That's kind of always what my issue is. So we're gonna get the laundry in check today. I have a bunch to put away already in my room, so I think while I do that, I'm gonna run a tub clean cycle on the washer, and then I think I'm gonna wash some bedding and towels. So we're just getting all the cleaning and decluttering stuff out of the way before we move into the fun stuff. So let's get started. Hours and 39 minutes. I did not think it would take that long. I guess we're gonna have more time than I thought to clean up. Okay guys, my room is feeling so nice and clean. I finally put away all of my clean laundry. I made my bed because I decided instead of washing bedding today, I have way too many clothes right now in my hamper. I don't know if you guys could see in the clip. It is overflowing. So I'm gonna do a load of clothes once the tub cycle is done, but I also cleared off my ottoman. I have this little ottoman in my room where I am always just dumping clothes, and now Cleo can finally lay on it again. I feel bad she hasn't gotten to lay on it in a long time. That would just always be the spot where if I was picking out an outfit and trying on clothes, whatever I didn't end up wearing just gets thrown on there. So finally it's empty again. I'm gonna check if the time went down on the tub clean cycle, because sometimes the time it tells you isn't always accurate, but there's probably still gonna be a while on it. So I am gonna do some decluttering. I've shown these on my channel before, but I have a subscription to this brand called Trashy, where they will send you these giant mailers. And you basically fill this bag up with clothing or linens. You can even do like shoes and bags, I think, and they'll recycle it for you, give all the items a new home. Once it's full, you just ship it back to them. I don't get these very regularly, and sometimes I'll have to hold on to it for a while because it'll take me a bit to completely fill it up. But I'm gonna try to tackle some things that I haven't gone through in a while, like my pajamas. I feel like I have a lot of old ones that I don't wear anymore. Maybe my skirts, I feel like I haven't gone through those in a while. And then I definitely have some old towels that can go in here that are perfectly fine. We just have more than we need. So I'm just gonna work on this for a bit and we'll see how much we can fill up. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me okay. The washer might be a bit loud, but I was able to fill up maybe a quarter of the bag, which is pretty good. That was only with like old pajamas. But since the washer is still going, I want to do a little digital declutter now. I don't do this as often as I should, but I just want to go through and delete any old documents that I don't need anymore, any old messages, emails, unsubscribe from things. So I'm gonna do that on my laptop, and then on my phone, I want to go through my pictures. I think what I'm gonna do is go into my camera roll and search March, so that way it pulls up any pictures from March on my phone, even from previous years. I should probably just start doing that every month. Then I can just go in and delete any random pictures, any random screenshots, just stuff that I don't need anymore. And I feel like searching March is just gonna make it less overwhelming instead of just scrolling through my entire camera roll, because we would be here all day. I think while I do that, I'm gonna put on Vanderpump Rules. I recently started it and I'm kind of hooked. I never fully knew the lore. I had just heard about it from Love Island, from Ariana Madix being the host, and the way that she just blew up. So I decided to start it, and it's the perfect reality TV show to have on in the background, because sometimes it's kind of just whatever and I'm not super interested, but sometimes it's really good and I am locked in. So it's just been a nice little background show. So that is the plan for right now. guys, the next thing that I need to do is go to the grocery store. I feel like I do a lot of smaller random grocery runs versus one big restock. Right now, I definitely want to get some snack options. I feel like we just don't really have any snacks right now. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, but I'm just gonna walk around, see what catches my eye. Maybe I'll remember that we need something. So let's go to the grocery store. Okay, grocery shopping is done. I realized as soon as I got there that I forgot my list. I was changing purses and I guess I didn't put it in the new one. I could have sworn I did. I feel like I remembered everything. I guess I'll see when I get home if I actually did. Anyways, let's do a very fast haul. I got some yogurt. I've heard that this brand and this specific flavor, vanilla chamomile, is really good. I got some mixed berries. I got more Greek yogurt. I feel like Greek yogurt is so hit or miss, so I just got a couple small ones so I could try it first. Got some cashews. I got a little apple cutter. These just looked good. I had never seen these before, but they're Greek yogurt bars. I got some peanut butter. I got some celery and some apples. And then next, I've heard that this is good. It's like a cereal, but kind of like a granola. I've also heard this brand of chips is really good, so I thought I'd try that too. It's garlic parmesan sourdough. I saw these and I could not pass these up. They're just blueberry muffins. I got some pretzels. And then last but not least, I saw this when I was walking in and I just thought it was so cute. It's just this little jar. I love using these as coffee cups, but that is everything I got. Kind of a random haul, but I'm excited about it. Now let's head home. Guys, I'm feeling very spring today. It's such a nice day outside. I'm also wearing the new Rhode red blush. This is what it looks like. I never thought I'd get into red blush, but it really is so perfect for spring, especially when you match it with your outfit. Something about all of the colors kind of working together, even in your makeup, is just so cute and fun to me. We are gonna get into the vision board right now, but I feel like I have a couple things that I'm excited about that I want to show you guys. I don't really show the majority of the PR packages that I get, but I feel like I've gotten some really great ones in the past few days, and they also happen to be spring themed, so I just had to show you guys. Wildflower actually sent me a package, and this is one of the cases that they sent. I had been wanting this one. It's just this little pony design. I think it's so precious. And then they sent this case too, which I didn't know that this one existed. It's like this pink pearl case. This is so perfect for summer. I feel like this on like a beach day, I would feel like aquamarine wearing this case. And they sent a little matching phone charm. How cute is that? Thank you so much to Wildflower. This next package I was kind of fangirling over because it's from Moleskine, and they have this new like cherry blossom journal, and look how stunning this journal is. This is so pretty. I haven't decided what I want to use it for, but even the pages have little, oh, of course I flipped to a page that doesn't have the design on it. Maybe it's only on the first few. Yeah, I would say in like the first third of the book, there's little flowers on the corner of the pages. Isn't that so pretty? Thank you so much, Moleskine. This next one is so crazy. This is from Kite Baby, and they sent over an entire picnic basket. They literally put artificial tulips in here. I love the colors of these. I will definitely put these in my room. And then of course, a little PJ set. Isn't this gingham so cute? This is the name of the brand. They make pajamas, obviously. And you guys saw I actually just went through my pajama drawer. I'm trying to like build up my collection of pajama sets instead of just like a baggy t-shirt and shorts. So I'm really excited about those. I just can't believe this. There's like a little charcuterie board type thing in here. There was even some cheese in here. There's like crackers. I already put the cheese in the fridge, but they went all out, and I thought that that was so nice and just so spring and perfect for our little spring reset. Anyways, thank you so much to those brands. Now it's finally time to make my vision board. What I'm planning on doing is having my journal in front of me while I make my vision board and writing down my spring 10. So I was listening to What We Said recently, which is a podcast that I really like. I've actually been obsessed with it lately. And one of the hosts, Chelsea, was talking about how she read a Substack article about making a monthly 10. She couldn't remember who wrote the Substack article, so I don't know who like coined that phrase, but it's basically just a list of 10 things that you want to do that month. And it can be really small, really big, it doesn't matter. And I really wanted to make one, but I wasn't sure if a month would be enough time to do everything that I put on the list. Obviously, it depends on what's on there. So I was like, what if instead I just do it by season and make a spring 10? So I'm basically going to scroll Pinterest right now and kind of make my spring vision board alongside making my spring 10 in my journal, just to be able to give me some ideas of what I might want to put on my list. So let's get started. spring vision board and my spring 10. That was actually so much fun. I don't usually make vision boards for new seasons, but there's just something so cute and almost whimsical about it. It just feels like a very simple, easy way to romanticize your life. So let me quickly show you guys my Pinterest board. This board is just what I want my spring to look like, whether that is the colors of one of the photos, the food, the activity, whatever it may be. Also, I saw my own pictures on here like 4 or 5 different times, which I'm honored. This is from when I went to Hawaii with my friends last year. I saw different variations of this one so much. I love these pictures actually. Literally, that's the same necklace that I'm wearing. There was another one that I don't think I pinned, but I did actually pin a couple of them because I remember those days were so much fun. There is nothing like getting ice cream during a sunny spring or summer day with your friends. There's also some cute outfits on here. There's this picture that has a film camera in it, and I do want to take more film pictures. Lots of cute little pictures of like hanging out with friends, going on a girls trip. I also put these nails on here because I love these and I want to try to recreate them. So that is my Pinterest board, and I kind of used that to make my spring 10. Everything I put on here is very fun and simple and lighthearted. There's nothing serious on here, but obviously if you want to make it more serious, you totally can. The very first thing I put is go on a girls trip. I feel like I've just been itching to go on a girls trip, and I actually have one planned already, and 2 more are currently in the works within the past like 24 hours, which I did not plan for that to happen while filming this video, but it's perfect. Next one is have more beach days. I want to be getting outside more. I love living in California and the beaches here are so beautiful. Next I put read a spring/summer book. I'll have to figure out what that book is going to be, but I have not been reading for a bit and I've really been missing it, so I need to pick out a book. Next one, I put dress up more often. I feel like I'm always saving my favorite clothes for like a special occasion, and I just want to wear them on random days more often because I feel like I do kind of wear the same variation of outfits every day, just jeans and a tank top or a t-shirt. So I want to just spice it up a little bit and stop waiting for a reason to dress up. Next one I put is DIY spring nails. Like I said, I want to recreate the ones on my vision board. Next is take more film photos. You guys saw that on my vision board too. I haven't used my film camera in so long, so we're gonna break that out. Next one is wake up earlier. I feel like that also has to do with the time change. I've been struggling with like getting my sleep schedule back on track because my body has not adjusted. It still feels like I'm waking up an hour earlier than it actually is. Next one is try a new restaurant. I feel like there's so many that I've been wanting to try recently. Next is invest time into a new hobby. I have a couple ideas for what that could be. I don't even have to do just one, but one of them might actually start this weekend, so I will update you guys on that. And then number 10 is go on a solo date. And I didn't write this part down, but specifically without feeling like I need to record it. I feel like anytime I'm doing something like that, I feel like I need to be vlogging it. Obviously no one's telling me to do that. Like this is just me putting the pressure on myself, but I do feel like I need to be better about just allowing myself to enjoy it without feeling the need to record it and fully be able to recharge. There was actually one more that I thought of that I'm totally blanking on now that I wanted to add. Oh, what was it? Trying to see if I can jog my memory on Pinterest. Dang it, I cannot remember. Oh well. Okay, well anyways, that is my spring 10. Might turn into spring 11 if I can remember what that other one was. I would totally recommend making this list because it's so fun and it feels like a very intentional way to go into a new season and romanticize your life. So with that, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I feel like this was such a nice mix of a physical reset and a mental one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to share something that's on your spring 10, please leave me a comment. I would love to hear. I would love it if you subscribed if you are not already. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.